Hi everyone, today's video is going to help you as you work through quiz number 7. Just to remind you, these are the strategies that Mr. Terry talked about in the video that you watched today. So, as you work to solve these problems today, you have a choice. You can choose to add your numbers using a number line. You can choose to add your numbers using the regular standard algorithm where you stack the digits and add them up. Or you can choose to use a place value model where you draw the first number and you draw the second number and you count up your ones, tens, and hundreds. I am going to let you pick whatever strategy works best for you as you work throughout this quiz. So let's take a look at number 2 together. Number 2 says blank equals 848 plus 127. So again, would you prefer to solve this problem by drawing a number line? Would you prefer to solve this problem by just stacking these numbers one on top of each other and adding up the digits? Or would you prefer to draw 848 and then 127 and count up your ones, tens, and hundreds? I'm going to let you pause the video, pick your strategy, and solve the question. When you're finished, you can press play and we'll take a look at number 3 together. Okay, friends, great job working on number 2. Let's take a look at number 3. What I did here was I just drew the number line a little bit bigger so you could see it. So it says, complete the following equation using the picture. So we have 832 plus what equals 911. So if we look at our number line, we started at 832 and we ended at 911. So what number did we add to 832? What do you see? I see a big jump of 70, that's right, and another jump of 9, that's right. So what we added was 70 plus 9, or 70 and 9 more. What is 70 plus 9? Very good. 70 plus 9 is 79, right? 0 plus 9 is 9, and 7 plus 0 is 7. So when you look to answer this question on your quiz, the equation that you're going to type in the box is, we started with 832, and we added 70 and 9 more, or 79, and that equaled, what did that equal? 911. That's right. Fantastic. Okay, friends, great job. Let's take a look at number 4 together. Okay, number 4 says type your number sentence and answer in the box below. So again, you can choose whatever strategy works best for you. Are you most comfortable stacking your numbers and using the standard algorithm? Do you feel confident drawing your hundreds, tens, and ones? Or would you prefer to draw an open number line and start at 512 and add 288 more? You decide your strategy, pause the video, solve your problem, and when you're ready, let's take a look at number 5 together. Okay, friends, great job working on number 4. Let's take a look at number 5 together. So number 5 is a word problem. So I am actually going to ask that you pause your video and do your 3 reads. Once you've done your 3 reads, press play and we'll talk about the question together. Okay, friends, great job. So let's take a look at the question. The question says, so far, 57 sea turtle eggs have hatched and 53 eggs are still in the nest. How many eggs were there before any hatched? So you should have noticed that the 2 important numbers were 57 because that was the number of sea turtle eggs that hatched. And the other important number was 53 because that's the number of sea turtle eggs that are still in the nest. So I want to know how many eggs were there before any hatched. So when I solved this problem, I liked to think about it like this. I knew there were 57 sea turtle eggs that had hatched, and I also knew that there were 53 sea turtle eggs that were still in the nest. So what this told me was that part of my eggs hatched and part of my eggs did not hatch. So I'm looking for how many eggs were in the nest before any of these hatched. So what was my total or my whole number of eggs? When I have two parts and I'm looking for the whole, what do I do with my two parts? Very good, I add my two parts. So again, you decide, do you want to use a standard algorithm to solve this question? Do you want to draw a place value model? Or would you like to do an open number line? Pause the video, pick your strategy, and press play when you're ready to take a look at number 6. Okay, friends, great job working on number 5. Let's take a look at number 6 together. Number 6 says, just erase this. Number 6 says, the table gives the amount of materials Aya recycled. How many kilograms of paper and aluminum did Aya recycle? So I would actually like you to pause your video, do your 3 reads, and when you're ready, press play. Okay, friends, great job. So our story is about Aya and the materials that she recycled. So let's take a look at our important numbers. Well, the question didn't tell us our important numbers right in the question. We had to use our chart. So we wanted to know how many kilograms of paper and how many kilograms of aluminum Aya recycled. So if I look at my paper, I can see that she recycled 277 kilograms of paper. And I can also see that she recycled 134 kilograms of aluminum. So I want to know how many kilograms of paper and aluminum did Aya recycle. So this and word tells me that I'm going to combine them. So again, this is a visual that works really well for me. I know that part of what Aya recycled was paper and part of what Aya recycled was aluminum. I want to know the total weight in kilograms that Aya recycled. So again, if I have two parts, how do I find the whole? Great job, you add the two parts together. So I'm going to show you your strategies again. Go ahead and pick the strategy that works best for you, and when you're ready, press play and we'll take a look at number 8 together. Okay, friends, great job on number 7. That was number 6. Whoops. Let's take a look at number 7 now together. So number 7 says, the table shows how many times each child hopped in a relay. How many times did Brady and Jenny hop in all? So friends, please pause your video, do your 3 reads, and when you're ready, press play. Okay, friends, great job. So you should have noticed that this story was about Brady and Jenny, and they were hopping in a relay. The important numbers were 73 hops for Brady and 92 hops for Jenny. The question asked us, how many times did Brady and Jenny hop in all? There's 2 words in here that tell me what I have to do. And is telling me that I need to combine the 2 hops, and in all tells us that we need to combine the 2 hops. So I know that Brady hopped 73 times and Jenny hopped 92 times. I would like you to pause your video, pick the strategy that you would like to use to figure out how many hops Jenny and Brady did in all. Friends, once you're done with this question, that's it for our quiz today. Great job working so hard. Thanks for joining me.